Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be creating this lovely chocolate website. To create it, we're going to be using Lovable.dev. So it is called Lovable.dev. The link will be added to the description below. So I'm going to, once you are logged into Lovable.dev, let me log out so that I can log in again. So I'm logging out, signing out from here. So you can see how it looks before I sign in. So this is it. This is what you will see when you go to Lovable.dev. So you can come here and log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you go to get started. So you click on get started and then you can continue with your Google or you can use an email. To use an email, you will need to do email password, just like the basic form we usually fill online. But for me, I don't really like using email because I can easily forget the password. So I prefer to use that Google or use my GitHub. So if you have a GitHub account, you can also use the GitHub account. But because I have an account on Lovable.dev, I'm just going to go to login and I'm continuing with my Google Mail. So Lovable.dev will log me in. And this is where the page I will see. Below will be the website I've created with Lovable.dev in the past. Okay, so you can also click on open or you use the other one. So let's go back to the home page so you can see it. So this is it. You can start from here. You can attach a picture of the website you want to use, or you can also choose the theme, that is the color scheme of the websites that you want to use, or create a new color scheme. So you can use this to create a new color scheme of what you want. All right, so once that is done, you paste your prompt here. So I have a link to I want the video background that you saw at the first part. I have a link to it. I have dropped this. I have created the video with Canva, and I also used I created it with Canva. I uploaded it in Cloudinary, and then I collected the link. If you want to know this step of how I did this, you can put it in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to delete it now so that I can write my prompt. Okay, so I'll say create a chocolate company and a website. Use as the background video for the hero. So the hero section is that first place that you see, that one called the hero section, and the home page. Add other section, add other section. So he just uses discretion to add other section. About add, also add about page, about page. What else can we add? we're adding about page, we're adding the shopping page and contacts page. I'll say feel free to add any other page that you think it's important. Make it beautiful and order. Alright, so I'm just going to click on enter. And once I click on enter, what the Lovable does is to look at my prompt, think about my prompt, and then it will start coding. Now, after thinking about it, is breaking down all the things that it's going to do. So I said that I will create a luxurious chocolate company website inspired by premium brands like Godiva and this rich brown, warm gold and elegant topography. Said design direction, deep chocolate brown, warm gold accent, cream ivory background, elegant safari heading. So it's already bringing out all the things. So inside the home page, we have the hero with video, featured products, about, preview, and testimonial. It said that there will be about page with brand story, shopping page with product grid, and it's also going to have a contact page with form. So now it's saying let's build this. So I'm going to show it. It's already building it. So the first thing it did was to install the Freemium motion. So this Freemium motion is actually for animation. It's telling me that this thing is going to really have a lot of beautiful animation. So it does the index.css. It's generating my images. It's generating the images that is needed. So these are the previews. So let me see if I can see the images that have been generated. Supposed to be in the public folder. Okay, so the public is here, but I'm not seeing images yet. So still generating my images. So what Lovable does is to generate both the website and also the image. So let's go back to the preview. So once it's done, it will show it on the front page. Say complete backend AI model out of the box, so you can focus on building your app. So it's saying that Lovable has a backend. That is, you can use Lovable to build full stack. Full stack, what I mean is both front end, back end with database. You can also add an LLM, that's large language model, to your app, and it's free to start. Okay, so Lovable is still working. So those are the things that you can do with it. So Lovable is not just for prototyping, that's front end prototyping any longer. It has a lot. So the new and the latest one has made it possible to add other features. When I mean backend, it could have a place where the user, the owner of the website, can actually upload their own pictures, change web page content, so that you don't need to always come back to write the web page content. Okay, so now let's see the things that has been done. So the email section that's been done, the featured product, the about, the testimonial, the newsletter area. So Lovable is basically writing my code for me. So I'm just going to pause this video and we'll come back once it is done. Alright. So this is the app, the website it has generated for me. Let's view it on a fresh page. So this is it on a full page. It's looking beautiful. So this is the about page. This is the shop. I'm going to test the shop soon. This is the gallery of chocolates, and all these chocolates, they are just freshly generated. They are just generated out of the box. So this is it. And then the contact should have a contact form, and where we can also add this our contact, the map. All right, so in my next video I will show you all how to add this Google map into our website.